Are you ready to build your very own community on Discord? Whether it's for gaming, study group, or just hanging out with friends. Creating a Discord server is easy than you think. Stick around and I will show you how to set it up step by step. First, log into your Discord account on the website or app. Look to the left hand sidebar where you will see a plus icon. This is the button you will use to create a new server. Click on it to get started. After clicking the plus icon, a pop-up will appear. Select Create My Own to build a server from scratch. For this tutorial, I am selecting For Me and My Friends option, which is perfect for casual use. You can upload a profile image for your server and choose a name. Once that's done, click Create. Congratulations, you have just created your Discord server. To make your server active, invite your friends. At the top of the server screen, you will see an Invite Your Friends option. Click on it and you will get an invitation link. There is also a copy button next to the link. Click this to copy the link and share it with your friends via text, email, or social media. Once your friends join, you can send them messages directly in your server. Simply type your message in the chat box, hit send, and then keep the conversation going. And that's it. You have now successfully created your own Discord server and invited your friends to join them. Whether you are using it to chat, share memes, or organize events, your server is now ready for all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.